Do you ever feel like there's something blocking your energy flow? Are you tired even after resting and eating well? Do you feel as though no matter what you do, there's always something a bit off? Here's why. Our body's energy centers are known as the chakras. The stressful lives that we lead may block our chakras, leading to physical, emotional, and spiritual imbalances. Do you know what might block them, or the simple yet powerful remedies you can practice at home to restore harmony within? Let's begin. Chakra 1. The root chakra is called Muladhara. Its color is red, symbolizing vitality and life force, and is associated with the element earth, emphasizing stability and connection. The root chakra governs the base of the spine, legs, and the adrenal glands, influencing fight or flight responses. Imbalances can manifest physically in various ways and include digestive issues, lower back pain, leg and foot problems, adrenal gland issues, skeletal system issues, varicose veins, reproductive system issues, immune system disorders, excessive weight or weight loss. You may have a blocked root chakra due to lack of stability as a result of frequent moves, lack of a secure home environment caused by dysfunctional family dynamics, persistent financial worries or uncertainty, poor self-care, unhealthy sleep habits, or poor nutrition. You may be disconnected from nature if you spend minimal time outdoors. Your past traumatic experiences related to survival, safety, or basic needs may be another factor. Unresolved issues from childhood or significant life events often contribute to imbalances. Chronic fear and anxiety, leg and lower back problems. Try these simple remedies. Use patchouli, vetiver, cedarwood, or frankincense, essential oils to enhance physical and psychological well-being. For crystal healing, use red jasper and hematite. Make time for grounding exercises like walking barefoot or gardening. Practice yoga. Try meditation with a focus on the root chakra. Some good examples include root chakra visualization meditation, grounding meditation, root chakra mantra meditation, body scan meditation, and nature connection meditation. You can incorporate affirmations for security and stability in your daily routine to promote a sense of grounding and well-being. For instance, you can say, "I trust in the process of life and allow it to unfold." "I release all fear and embrace the abundance of the universe." "I am worthy of love, peace, and prosperity." "I create a stable foundation for myself and my loved ones." "I am resilient and I can overcome any challenge that comes my way." Chakra 2. Svadhisthana is the sacral chakra. Its color is orange, representing creativity, passion, sensuality, and is associated with the reproductive organs, influencing fertility, lower abdomen, hips, and lower back. Svadhisthana is linked to the element water, emphasizing flow and adaptability. Imbalances in the sacral chakra can manifest physically in menstrual irregularities, fertility issues, hip and pelvic pain, lower abdominal and back pain, bladder and kidney issues, digestive problems, sexual dysfunction, and fluid retention. Blockages include feeling uninspired or experiencing a lack of passion, having repressed emotions, particularly those tied to sensuality and creativity, emotional traumas from past unhealthy relationships, experiencing guilt and shame linked to societal or cultural conditioning, displaying rigidity in thought patterns or an unwillingness to explore and embrace change, sexual repression due to cultural taboos, religious beliefs, or personal inhibitions related to sexuality, lack of self-worth due to low self-esteem or a sense of unworthiness, addictions to substances or toxic relationships, inability to experience joy or a sense of lightness. Remedies include activities that awaken creativity, such as painting, dancing, or writing. Moonstone and carnelian are crystals that resonate with Svadhisthana energy. Listen to soothing music, sound healing, chanting, or sound bowls. Try journaling daily. Set aside time to write down your thoughts and feelings. Write freely without judgment to release any pent-up emotions. Try body scan meditation or guided imagery. Try emotional release practices, such as breath work. Cultivate healthy relationships. Go for a swim. Chakra 3. Manipura is the solar plexus chakra. Its color is yellow, representing personal power, vitality, self-confidence, and it is associated with the element fire, symbolizing transformation. Blockages of this chakra include stress, workaholism, an obsessive focus on work to the detriment of personal well-being, unhealthy competition or comparison with others, constant need for perfection or fear of failure, deep-seated fear of rejection or criticism, low self-esteem causing you to doubt your abilities and engage in negative self-talk, feelings of shame or guilt from past experiences, inability to express unresolved anger in a healthy way, heightened self-control, or a tendency to be overly controlling to others. Now, think of the expression, "you are what you eat," as a healthy body is often linked to healthy nutrition. Digestive issues may arise as a result of excessive consumption of processed and refined foods, overeating, spicy foods, alcohol, caffeine, unhealthy fats, lack of hydration, food allergies. Use lemon, ginger, peppermint, or bergamot essential oils as healing remedies. Use empowering affirmations such as, "I am confident in my abilities and value my unique qualities." "I am worthy of success and deserving of all the good that comes my way." "I honor and respect myself at all times. I stand tall in my power and I am capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way." "I am in control of my life and I make decisions with confidence." "I radiate positive energy and attract success into my life." Repeat these affirmations regularly, incorporating them into your daily routine or meditation practice. Saying them with intention and belief can reinforce positive energy in the solar plexus region and help cultivate a strong and empowered sense of self. Additionally, combining affirmations with visualization can enhance their effectiveness. Imagine the vibrant energy of the sun empowering your solar plexus as you repeat these affirmations. You can also practice core strengthening exercises, such as the Cobra and Superman poses, side plank, leg raises, Russian twists, and bridge pose. Or empowering yoga poses like the warrior pose to strengthen Manipura. Establish healthy eating habits. Seek energy healing modalities such as pranic healing or Reiki. Learn to say no to foster a sense of control and self-respect. Practice self-compassion and self-love. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, recognizing your inherent worth. Connect with nature, particularly in environments with sunshine. Nature has a grounding and revitalizing effect on the solar plexus chakra. Chakra 4. Anahata is the heart chakra. Anahata's color is green, representing love and compassion. The chakra is associated with the element air, emphasizing freedom and expansiveness. This chakra is linked to the thymus gland, influencing immune function, in addition to the heart, lungs, chest, and circulatory system. Imbalances of the heart chakra can manifest in high blood pressure and palpitations. Asthma, chest pain, poor circulation, weakened immune system, upper back and shoulder tension, breast cysts, lymphatic system disorders, thymus gland disorders, allergies, digestive issues. Blockages include feeling emotionally closed off or experiencing difficulties in relationships. Suffering from past heartbreaks, betrayals, and loss, difficulty forgiving or unresolved grief. Growing up in an environment where love was given conditionally or inconsistently, prioritizing logic over emotions, leading to emotional suppression. Suffering from cultural and societal conditioning that devalue emotions or vulnerability. A simple remedy is aromatherapy. Use rose, jasmine, lavender, or eucalyptus essential oils for healing. Rose quartz and emerald crystals resonate with Anahata energy. Engage in heart-centered meditation. Try heart-opening poses in yoga, like the camel pose, which can balance Anahata. Others include the cobra pose, upward-facing dog, bridge, fish, wheel, bow, and puppy poses, and extended triangle pose. Practice loving-kindness meditation, metta meditation. Spend time in nature to promote a sense of interconnectedness and harmony. Engage in acts of kindness and practice forgiveness. Repeat affirmations focused on love, compassion, and gratitude. You can always find time to say, "I am worthy of unconditional love and compassion. My heart is open and I forgive myself and others. I release all resentment and make space for love. I am at peace with my past and I open my heart to a loving future. I let go of fear and I embrace the transformative power of love. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me every day. Love flows freely through me and I am at peace." Chakra 5. Vishuddha is the throat chakra. Vishuddha's blue color symbolizes self-expression, and it is associated with the element ether, emphasizing spaciousness and connection. This chakra is linked to the thyroid gland, influencing metabolism. Throat chakra imbalances manifest as neck and shoulder tension, thyroid gland, vocal cords, and respiratory system issues. Other signs include frequent sore throat or throat infections, voice hoarseness, TMJ, dental problems, cavities, gum disease, ear and sinus infections, difficulty swallowing or expressing yourself through speech. A strong aversion to expressing yourself in front of others. A heightened fear of judgment or rejection, leading to hesitation and self-censorship. Inability to express thoughts, feelings, or ideas clearly. You may struggle being true to yourself by presenting a false persona to conform to societal expectations, or feel a sense of not being heard or understood even when attempting to communicate. Remedies include the use of peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, or chamomile essential oils to enhance physical and psychological well-being. Blue lace agate and sodalite crystals resonate with Vishuddha energy. Practice throat chakra meditation and visualize a vibrant blue light in this area while affirming clear and authentic self-expression. Use positive affirmations such as, "My thoughts, words, and actions are aligned with my true self. I trust in the power of my voice to create positive change. My words are filled with kindness, truth, and love." Try writing, singing, or drawing to encourage self-expression and free the flow of energy. Journal your thoughts, feelings, and experiences to gain clarity and release pent-up emotions. Practice mindful breathing exercises to release tension and improve health. Incorporate yoga poses that focus on the throat and neck area, such as fish pose or shoulder stand. For crystal therapy, use blue lace agate, lapis lazuli, or aquamarine to balance and activate the throat chakra. For sound therapy, listen to strings, flute, vocals, crystal singing bowls, or hum, play the flute or didgeridoo to resonate with the throat chakra. Chakra 6. Ajna is the third eye chakra. Ajna's color is indigo, representing intuition and inner wisdom. The chakra is associated with the pineal gland, influencing sleep patterns, perception, and the mind's eye. Imbalances appear as persistent headaches and migraines, especially in the forehead or temple area. Poor concentration due to eye strain and vision problems, blurry vision and difficulty focusing, sleep disturbances like insomnia, difficulty falling asleep, and restless sleep patterns. Chronic sinus issues like congestion or infections, ear infections, neurological disorders, dizziness and vertigo, tension in the scalp and neck, jaw pain or TMJ issues such as tension, stiffness, or discomfort, brain fog, feeling directionless or lacking a clear sense of purpose and vision for the future, Meditation on intuition is a great remedy that can enhance clarity and spiritual insight. Also, try visualization exercises. Cultivate mindfulness and awareness daily. Yoga poses like child's eagle pose and downward-facing dog help release tension and promote energy flow. Eat a healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Blueberries and dark leafy greens can also be beneficial. Diffuse essential oils like lavender, frankincense, sandalwood, or clary sage to enhance well-being. Use color therapy. Surround yourself with the color indigo. Deep blue or indigo clothing and living spaces enhance the energy of the third eye chakra. Connect with nature by spending time in settings with expansive views like mountaintops or open fields. For sound therapy, listen to Tibetan singing bowls or binaural beats designed for intuition and clarity. Seek energy healing modalities like Reiki or acupuncture to clear and balance the energy flow. Chakra 7, Sahasrara, is the crown chakra. Its color is violet or white, symbolizing higher consciousness, unity, and spiritual connection, and it is often referred to as the thousand-petaled lotus. Imbalances manifest as persistent headaches, especially in the top of the head, and migraines. You may experience light sensitivity, dizziness, sleep disturbances such as insomnia, nightmares, and disrupted sleep patterns. Cognitive issues, namely difficulty concentrating, mental fogginess, and memory problems. Hair and scalp issues, hair loss, and premature graying. Other imbalances include nervous system disorders, immune system weakness such as chronic illnesses, frequent infections, and weakened immune system, tingling sensations, and heightened sensitivity to EMFs from electronic devices. Sometimes you may feel energetic overstimulation, feeling overwhelmed by energy. You may experience closed-mindedness, face fear of the unknown or lack of purpose. Strong attachment to the ego and material identity. Unhealthy lifestyle choices that impact physical and spiritual well-being. Minimal connection to the natural world and its spiritual aspects. Remedies include applying frankincense, myrrh, lavender, or sandalwood essential oils to your pulse points during meditation or diffusing them. Meditation on the crown chakra can foster a sense of oneness with the universe. Stay present, practice deep breathing or mindful walking. Repeat positive affirmations that focus on spiritual connection and unity. Examples include, I am one with the universe. I am open to divine guidance, or I trust the wisdom of the universe. Wear violet or white clothing and decorate your living space with them. Try gentle yoga or stretching exercises to release physical tension and open up the energy flow. Nature connection. Spend time in nature, especially in serene and natural settings. Connect with the beauty of the natural world to enhance your spiritual connection. Listen to chanting, singing bowls, or frequency-specific meditation music to activate higher consciousness. Practice moments of silent contemplation to create space for inner reflection and spiritual connection. Connect to your higher self through reflective writing or dialogues with your inner wisdom. Seek energy healing modalities like Reiki or acupuncture to clear and balance the energy flow. Explore sacred geometry symbols associated with this chakra and incorporate them into your meditation or visualization practices. Thankfulness and connection to something greater than yourself can uplift the energy of the chakra. Lastly, seek purpose and higher meaning. Please remember that balance is a continuous process. Embrace these remedies, and may your energy centers align to bring you peace, harmony, and a deeper connection to the divine within.